morning, guys. Shadow Schroeder here. I just wanted to make a quick video, or at least I think it's going to be a quick video, of how I make cold brew coffee at home. I've never done a video like this before. I'm a huge cold brew coffee fan. I've been drinking cold brew coffee for years. Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, shout out. I would go there every morning before work. I'd stop at Dunkin' Donuts, wait in the traffic in line just to get my cold brew coffee. Or I would go to Starbucks, pay a mortgage payment for coffee. It was getting ridiculous. And now that I'm a homeowner, I decided to flip the switch and start making cold brew coffee at home. It's actually pretty easy, at least the way I do it's pretty easy. So I'm going to show you roughly what I do and how I do it. And then any products, questions you guys have, comment below. I'm going to put in the link. I'm going to put links for everything down below so you can find where everything is. I might not even be making it fully correctly. But so far I've been doing this for a little over a year, and I haven't been to a Dunkin' Donuts or a Starbucks in a long time. I'm really enjoying it. It's a lot of fun. So let's get to it. I really shouldn't be owning a home. All right, guys. So this is my supplies. This is the stuff that I use all the time to make my cold brew coffee. So we're gonna start over here. So this is filtered water. Very important. Please don't use tap. You will taste the difference. Just get something with a nice filter, like a Brita filter, or any filtered water would work. This stuff is absolutely the fucking best. Next, you're gonna want to get a gallon. Well, I have a gallon jar. This is actually, if you type in cold brew on Amazon, this jar comes up. You could put sangria in this. You could put juice in it. You can put anything in this. It's just a liquid. It's got like a little tap on it. This jar. It also comes with this cylinder. The cylinder is a strainer. Like it's got like these like little holes in there. So basically what you do is you put this inside like so, and then you put the coffee in there. This jar I think cost me like 35 bucks. Again, I'll post the link down below. Lastly, this is not necessary, but I definitely would recommend it. This is a sealed, an airtight seal canister. So basically what you do is you open this up, and it airtight seals, and then that's where I keep my leftover coffee. Making a lot of noise here. Sorry about that. So this is where I keep my leftover coffee, so it just stays nice and fresh when I'm not using it. You could put raw coffee in there, but I can still keep it in the bag. Why not? All right, so I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. So you get your coffee, Starbucks, obviously, shout out. You're just gonna start pouring it in there. Put the cylinder inside the jar. Pour the coffee in there. And I'll tell you guys where I usually stop personally. That's where I found the best taste for me. All right, so I usually stop filling about this high up. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but it is about, I would say about there. So basically all of this is filled up to coffee to about there, and then I leave just about that much space. Anything more than that, it tastes, it's not strong. It just has like a weird, like, not even coffee taste, and anything less just kind of tastes like water. So that's kind of where, that's the exact measurement right there. I would say about to here, actually, this line. Yeah, I don't even know what that exact measurement is. You're supposed to use cups. Anyway, so like I said, when I first started making cold brew coffee at home, I looked up things you should be doing and things you should not be doing. So one of the things people recommended was getting a scale. People said like to measure out your coffee, find out the perfect ounce and all that crap. Then you get this filter and then you pour the coffee in that way. And I bought all this shit, and all I did was feel like a fucking Colombian drug lord. So I just now fucking guesstimate, and every time it's come out perfect. I don't know. I think I cracked the code. All right, now that you have your coffee in there, I basically just take whatever's left and put it back in the canister, which is hard to do with one hand. Put that down. put the thing back on and airtight lock it, and there you go. And then you got fresh coffee whenever the fuck you want. There's Maggie. All right, now that you have the coffee in there, basically what you're gonna wanna do is take your filtered water and start slowly pouring it in there. Don't pour too fast because the water will rise the coffee to the tippy top. And you want a nice slow pour just so all the nice coffee comes out. Take your time. This isn't a race. It's gonna take some time to do. This is probably the longest part about making cold brew at home, apart from the steeping process, which I will explain in a little bit. But let me go ahead and do this. Also, there will be times where you run out of water as you're filling up. So then you have to refill it with water, and that just takes a little bit of time to wait for water to filter through. But while we wait for the water to filter through, look how fucking delicious this is starting to look. This looks so good. Remember what I said about pouring too fast? This is what could happen. It just rises really quick to the top and it gets around the rim. This rim does shimmy a little bit, and then it's just fully exposed. So be careful getting grinds in there. So just try to make sure this is as flush as possible. If this happens, just have a paper towel on standby and then just brush it back in. I know some of you are probably saying if you used the stupid filter, you wouldn't have that issue. No, not true. This thing's a pain in the ass, and this is why I don't use this thing. Agni, how are you? The viewers miss you. How's everything? Oh, and there's that Modi. Modi, say hello to your fans. He's like, I don't give a shit. Oh, to answer your question, what kind of coffee you should be using? I don't fucking know. But the coffee that I use dark roast coffee. Fucking love dark roast coffee. We're getting pretty close to the top. What you're gonna wanna do is just keep filling it. I fill it to about here. But yeah, we're almost there. And like I said, fill as necessary. Ooh, she's fucking gorgeous. She gonna get it in the morning. Now what you're gonna wanna do is put the lid on, put it in your refrigerator, and you're gonna have to wait some time. So the steeping process is probably the longest part of this. It says when you steep it in the refrigerator. So what steeping is it's just basically essentially letting it soak. So now you're just letting that goodness of the coffee soak in the water and make coffee slowly. It's a very slow process, so slow that it takes almost 20 hours. 20 hours, actual fucking hours to make. So I won't be able to enjoy that cold brew until I go to work tomorrow. And that's why I do it the day before on my day off. Shout out to my boy Gamer from Accounting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Shout out Night Mom Media. I'm Shadow Schroeder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to make more videos like this. This is kind of new to me. I mean, just a daily routine. Well, it's not daily, but it's just a routine I do. All right.